Hi, I'm Ben. For over 10 years, I've been a STEM and art educator, communicator, and enthusiast. And I've been a maker even longer. If you're one of my students, campers, or social media followers, you may recognize some of the many projects I've built. From useful to crazy, they've all been fun and taught me a lot. Now, I'm working on my biggest project yet, and you can be a part of it. I'd like to introduce you to Social Medium, a social makerspace right here in the Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley. Social Medium is a social makerspace where makers come together to connect, make things, and have fun. We have projects, classes, and events in an entertaining, creative, and geeky environment that encourages building social connections. Why are we called Social Medium? Makers use the term medium to refer to the tools and materials used to create something. At Social Medium, we provide a new system of tools and materials that makers can use to create connections. Building a business from the ground up is hard work, so why am I doing it? Makers like me need a social outlet to express our creativity and pursue our curiosity. Many spaces and organizations focus on providing tools, materials, and knowledge to makers, but at Social Medium, we focus on actively creating social connections and community. If all of this sounds like something you may be interested in, please follow us on Instagram at socialmedium.space, on YouTube at Social Medium, or check out our website at www.socialmedium.space, and stay up to date with all of the latest information as we build Social Medium. And if a social makerspace is not for you, but you know someone who would benefit from a fun and safe creative space, please share this video with them. In fact, please share this video with everyone, because you never know who may be in need of some geeky and creative social connections. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.